Good morning, respected chairperson. The subject of my paper is World Water Challenges and Remedies by Integrating Modern Technologies with Vedic Wisdom. I am the chairperson of the Research Advisory Board, Indian Research Institute for Integrated Medicine, presently, and President Waves Jodhpur chapter, formerly Director DRDO, Ministry of Defense, Government of India, and UGC professor. Well, the water distributed in the hydrosphere is shown over here. In the ocean is 97.1%, and what we have on our Earth subsurface is 0.61% only. On this 0.61%, the flora, the fauna, and the brunt of the pollution is holds here. So the availability of water in the international scenario is shown in this transparency. In 1995 to 2030, the per year per capita water availability is here, and the condition, the problems on the water scenario by severe by 2025 in most Asian countries, 20% urban families in developing countries buy water, global warming, and look at the threatening future supply, 1.1 billion lakh access to safe water, 2.5 billion to sanitation, and 800 million under knowledge. So friends, 80 countries face serious water shortage, one third face moderate to high. In West Asia, over 90% face severe threat. By 2020, that is this year, increase in water use by 40%. So water availability, as I shown in the globe is shown over here, and the population access you see also is shown over here, including 1 billion children lack in sanitation. Diseases due to poor sanitation kill 5,000 people every day and a child every 20 seconds. A report, 95% die due to illness and only 5% natural death. Look at the scenario in our country in India. The domestic water consumption was 1985 to 16.7 cubic kilometers. Now by 2025 will be raised to 40 cubic kilometer. As per the Bureau of Indian Standards, per capita per individual is 135 liters consumption, human being 40, additional desert areas 30, and for drinking and cooking purpose is the 10 liters per capita per day. So what are the challenges in our country in India? Availability of water person, over-exploitation of groundwater, deterioration of water quality, augmentation of water resources, maintenance of water resources, and water-related disaster management. Friends, look at the Vedic concept. According to the Vedic concept, there are 8 types of the groundwater. And look in the modern science, that the 3 isotopes of hydrogen, HDT, hydrogen, deuterium, tritium, and 2 isotopes of oxygen, O16 and O18, there could be 18 types of water. So, divinity of water. Nasadi Sapta of Rig Veda, Ambavada, is one of the 10 cosmogonist doctrines regarding creation of cosmos. Ambavada is the creation of water, creation of life from water. Was an important Vedic doctrine in which the waters were conceived as the premier source of creation. The Apa is thus omnipresent. The sun also originates from Apa ocean, sets in it, and only thus Apa is the visible below and 10 above sun. The universe is Apomaya. The imbalance in the quantity and quality of water within body and external environment is cause of unrest, disaster, and diseases. In universe, divinity of water directly governs quality and harmony of life. Water, one of the 5 basic elements the life consists of. Apo Veda Sarvam Visva Bhutanapa Mata Bhumi Putarvo Ama Prithivya, and Prajanya Pita Yashva. So in Sanskrit, there are 19 synonyms of water. We can define water in 99 ways. This is what's in the Nasadiya Sukta. So in the religious text, the Indian, the Bharati Dharma Grantha, Jal Jeevanam, water is Brahman, as I said, Ambavad, life is created. Kadambani is another religious text, proficiency of rune forecasting, that is the forecasting of the rains in the Kadambani Sahitya. Vishnu Dashavatar, life originated from the fish up to the Kalki avatar, and the Samudra Manthan also gave 14 celestial items, including the nectar and the poison halahal. So vital rituals, Karmakand, govern our entire life from birth to marriage to yagna, religious function, death, etc. So the 10 cosmogonic doctrines of cosmic creation, the life created, there are 10 theories, and the one theory is the Ambovada, as I said, the creation of life from the water, as described in Nasadiya Sukta Rig Veda. Dasha Avatar, from Matsya Avatar to Kalki Avatar, we are fully aware, particularly the Hindus, the Darwin's theory of evolution after Big Bang, the appearance of water, the monocellular life, amoeba, bicellular, multicellular, and present human 5 all could be narrated, explained from the water only. Gauravshali Bharat, Swarnim Bharat, Vishwaguru Bharat, the world leader Bharat, there are 14 big rivers, and in this Sanskrit verse, Gange cha Yamune chaiv Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jalasmin Sannindham Kuru. So water management challenges in 21st century. What could be the future research, the holistic approach, the water problems, although have posed many global challenges at the start of 21st century. But it is solvable bridging gap between ancient Indian science and modern technologies. That is what the theme of my paper is. Role of Vedic science, Vedic scholars, and the environmentalists. We all look for the desalination, whether reverse osmosis or the various other 10 techniques, selection of low water consuming crops, drip irrigation, hydroponics, Kisan Melas, organic produce. These could be the areas where we should work. WHO Decade Program on Traditional and Complementary Medicine, a book released by WHO within from 2014 to 2023, gives the good account of the work to be undertaken. Namami Gange, Government of India project, Namami Narmada project. So collaboration is required between engineers, health workers, and environmentalists. This integrated approach will be able to solve the problem. Other problems specific to our environment could also be addressed. So the solution is decoding ancient wisdom. What is this ancient wisdom? What are the ancient science hidden in the Indian text Vedas? Now I'm going to tell you a story of River Saraswati, the massive, mightiest river hidden in the desert from Haryana up to the run of Kutch. Groundwater age of this hidden water is found to be 14,000 to 16,000 years old in the Vedic period. Fossils, dinosaurs, Bothal port, nitrate, fluoride, nitrate, bromine, iodine are found in the sea. Armed paramilitary forces survive on sweet water along the paleochannels of Saraswati. Kanot Mata, Ghantiali Mandir, Islamgarh, Kishangarh, Ghotaru, Jaisalmer, Barmer Forts, and Kiradu in India and Pakistan are the heritage site of this river channel. Okay. So decoding the ancient wisdom, the post and chantings, blessings and mangli given by saints, Chan Jalabhisheka in Moscow, churches, holy places, for speak up of the divine divinity in the water, supported by spectral data for real found in Haryana. Efforts to unveil the mystery behind the ancient Saraswati River. Number of three international conferences and paleo channels of Lost Saraswati and of third desert has been identified in large areas. Found saline groundwaters in Bardmer, Rajasthan have been claimed to meet water needs of region for over 100 years. The good integrated water management employing current desalination technologies is needed to use these additional water resources for sustainable growth on Israel pattern. Friends, Saraswati River, very sacred river, who is the embodiment of all goddesses, Goddess Saraswati, salutation to her, who has a tranquil form, who wears the moon, and who is the embodiment of yogas, is explained in this above shlokas. This is the channel, the Saraswati from Chandigarh shown here up to Rajasthan and the Kachhati, Gujarat area. I further give you the details, and these details are available in the text and in the Google site. So, divinity of water management in operational areas, the mightiest river of Vedic period, if could be fully unearthed, it could be exploited for meeting the requirement of India, at least 1/3 of India. So divinity, water deities, water diviner, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, all other religions, they have great importance and relevance of the divinity of the water. As I said, the Abhimantrik Jal by all the religions have got the charged water, some magical divine properties of healing. So a vision document prepared by Dr. Kalam spoke of 5 challenges: national safety, environment safety, food safety, economic safety, health and education safety. If these challenges could be met along with water here, then India could can take the lead as a world leader. So there are certain new researches also, the geospatial technologies for water management in desert application by Regional Remote Sensing Application Center by ISRO in Jodhpur. Greatest conservation resource recovery, energy efficient waste water treatment, and removal, energy containment, provide and nanomaterial. These technologies can go a long way. So water management, here I am mostly concerned with the satellite technology. There could be 6 stages for gain time knowledge of water quality and quantity. I explain these 6 stages. Stage 1, water source. Stage 2, water flow. Stage 3, water consumption. Stage 4, water conservation. Stage 5, water quality. And stage 6, weather monitoring. So there are other work done on the meteorological oceanographic satellite data, Archaeosynchron, Vedas, visualization of Earth observation data and Archaeos system by ISRO. Using these applications, we can forecast about the cloud burst and rainfall and many other details, which, as I said, can be seen in the literature. Salient feature of the Vedas here also, base like road, rail, river, water body, national boundaries, all beside all of the data, we can find all of the application data visualization in 2D and 3D graphical analysis on web. So water availability in desert scenario, current developments, Himalayan water through Rajasthan Canal, Narmada water from Gujarat, and discovering lost Vedic Saraswati River by paleo channels mapping by ISRO, giving immense hope to fulfill the services and civil sector requirements. Paleo channels are the remnants of the old streams of the Vedic river Saraswati. The entire course of Saraswati paleochannels have been delineated from the Himalayan foothills to the Run of Kutch, passing through the Thar Desert in northwest India. Water wars in desert scenario. Water is wars we can find between many countries. Past several years, we have seen an increase in the total number of reports of violent conflict over water. Challenges of water conflicts are growing, not shrinking. In India, conflicts within states with Bangladesh, Pakistan, China also need serious consideration for better mechanism, greater effort, and R&D are needed. International conference on River Saraswati organized by Haryana Saraswati Heritage Development Board is worth mentioning. These are the two books which have been translated and released by me here in Jodhpur Janaran Vyas University, Ambovat, The Creation of Life from Water, Kadambini, the Vedic Science of Rain Forecasting. First, so future research, according to UN estimates, by 2025, the demand for fresh water will rise nearly to 60% more. The water scarcity hence cannot be solved by drilling water wells, installing desalination plants, and constructing water storage reservoirs. What is required is an integrated approach, including NGOs, water sectors, water supply, sanitation, demand, agriculture, energy development, and environmental management must be acted upon in order to alleviate the water shortage. So friends, as I said, water problems although have posed many global challenges at the start of 21st century, but solvable by bridging gap between ancient Indian science and modern technology. Technology advisor groups could be constituted, strengthened for a speedy achievement of targets. This is what I summarize role of Vedic scholar, scientists, and researchers. As a DRDO defense scientist, to serve the soldier in Thar Desert is our motto. And to save the nomads from vagaries of nature is our endeavor. DRDO, being a former director in service of services, armed forces, committed to provide safe drinking water by integrating current developments with Vedic wisdom. Let all beings be happy. Thank you very much.